This is a 2006 Gore trailer located here at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. 2006 Gore 2-horse bumper pull with side ramp and dressing room. This trailer's in really great condition. It's been very, very well maintained. The prior owner lost their horse and is getting out of the horse world. So it's the trailer he picked up this weekend. Again, it's a 2-horse straight load Gore. Familiar with Gore products, Mr. Gore calls it a number 3A. It is 7'6" tall and 6 feet wide. I'd have to double check the floor length here for you. They call this dressing room a 5-foot dressing room, and that's going to be from the back of this wall to the point of that nose. The dressing room has 2 saddle racks, bridle hooks, and sliding windows. It has sliding windows from the dressing room into the horse area, and also sliding windows from into the front of the nose. Sorry, my words today are struggling a little bit. I got a crank out roof vent, a clothing bar, and a blanket bar. And the prior owner left us a block, a wheel chuck, and a trailer aid, and a little step that will go with the trailer. It's got pretty clean carpet here on the floor of the trailer. Diamond plated running board that acts as a step there into the dressing room. Camper style door with screen. Side ramp for unloading the horses. The stall area is going to be 7 feet from breast bar to butt bar. That's very standard in a trailer. Your typical headroom is 3 feet. In this Gore side ramp, you have 5 feet. So that gives you a little extra space if you need for a longer necked horse, a little longer bodied horse. They can stick their head and neck over a little bit further, or you can add some D-rings and strap some things to this front wall that would be out of the way. We have the addition of a bar style head divider, 2 pop-up roof vents, a padded removable body divider, padded wall, and padded breast and butt bars. If you're not familiar with Gore trailers, they are a galvanized steel chassis. So that is the base of the trailer only, galvanized steel chassis with aluminum frame and aluminum skin. The walls of the Gore horse trailer are insulated in the horse area. And then they have a fiberglass roof, and that fiberglass roof is going to be so much cooler than an aluminum roof on a nice hot day. So we've got a nice cool aluminum roof, insulated walls in the horse area, and then they use a wooden floor. I can show you this floor. It's wet right now because it just came around from getting cleaned, but that wooden floor is in excellent condition. No soft spots there in that floor. Again, we've got a rear ramp and a side ramp on this model. 4 new tires were just put on, and the mechanic will service the wheels of it on Thursday, so we'll ensure that the brakes and bearings and things are all in great shape. Brand new tires, wheels will be serviced, floor's in good shape. We've got a full-size escape door on the street side. Those graphics are black. Again, full-length running board this side that acts as a step. Nice diamond-plated running board, diamond-plated fender box, diamond plate on the tongue and the nose. Windows in the nose, windows between the horse area and the dressing room, and windows in the rear top curtains. This door does tie back. I just did not tie it back for my photos and videos today. Again, this is a 2006 Gore 2-horse straight load bumper pull. It's available at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. You can see all the specs and photos on our website at trailercountryllc.com.